Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I hope you will be fine. I am your teacher Hirashkur. This is your new X4 primary science book. Today we are going to read out chapter Animals. Open up page number 32 of your book. Chapter Animals. Many animals live on the earth. Some live on land and some, like fish, live in water. Some insects live in the grass and many can fly. Birds make their nests in trees. Animals live in different places and in different ways. Look at this picture. Some animals live in water. Some live on trees. Come on, next topic. Special body parts. Like human beings, animals have also some special body parts for doing different functions. Let's proceed our reading. Animals have different body parts to help them live, find food and move. Birds have wings to fly and they have beaks to catch worms and eat grain and seeds. Ducks and frogs have webbed feet to help them swim. A giraffe has a long neck. It can eat the leaves of tall trees. Look at this picture. Let's discuss and answer. Look at this picture. Here are some animals. They have different body parts. Let's discuss their functions. Students, what is this? Yes, this is a camel. Its special body part is hump. It is used for storing water. This is monkey. It has a tail. Its special body part is tail. It is used for balancing on branching. Wow, this is a tiger. It has sharp teeth. It is used for eating the food. Wow, it is an eagle. It has a special body part which is beak. It is used for eat grain. This is a bear. Its special body part is fur. It is used for keeping the warm. Students, what is this? Yes, this is a moose. It has antler. It is used for fighting. Students, what is this? Yes, this is rhino. It has horn. It is used for fighting. This is elephant. It has a trunk. It is used for breathing. It is a feather. It's belong to peacock. It's used for protecting body. This is a fish. Its special body part is fin. It is used for sliding through the water. Come on, next page. Page number 43. Question number 5. Which animals made this footprint? हमने अभी स्पेशल बॉडी पार्ट्स के बारे में पढ़ा. हमने पढ़ा कि डिफरेंट एनिमल्स के बॉडी पार्ट्स डिफरेंट होते हैं. इसी तरह से एनिमल्स के फुटप्रिंट भी डिफरेंट होते हैं. आपने फाइंड आउट करने हैं कि ये फुटप्रिंट किस एनिमल्स के हैं और इनके नेम राइट करने हैं. जैसा कि ये फुटप्रिंट ये तो किसी बर्ड के हैं. फाइंड आउट करें यहाँ पे किस बर्ड का नेम दिया गया है. क्रो. जी हाँ, ये क्रो के फुटप्रिंट हैं. इसी तरह से आपने बाकी फाइंड आउट करने हैं और इनके नेम राइट करने हैं. I hope now you have understand it. Take care. Thank you.